welcome to Stay at Home Story Time. Let's start with our hello song. We can say hello to everybody. Well, hello everybody, can you clap your hands? Clap your hands, clap your hands. Well, hello everybody, can you clap your hands? Clap your hands. Well, hello everybody, can you stomp your feet? Stomp your feet, stomp your feet. Well, hello everybody, can you stomp your feet? Stomp your feet. Well, hello everybody, can you jump up high? Jump up high, jump up high. Well, hello everybody, can you jump up high? Jump up high. Well, hello everybody, can you shake your hips? Shake your hips, shake your hips. Well, hello everybody, can you shake your hips? Shake your hips. Well, hello everybody, can you boop your nose? Boop your nose, boop your nose. Well, hello everybody, can you boop your nose? Boop your nose. Boop, boop. Hello. Let's play our guessing game. What is in the bag? What could it be today? In my bag is, I'm going to use a big word now, a kind of animal habitat. That word habitat means a home that an animal lives in the wild. So, this home is built by an animal, usually in a tree. Sometimes they can be on the ground. And this animal uses it to lay and protect their eggs. And the kind of animal that does this is a bird. Do you know what it could be? Did you guess a nest? Then you'd be right. This is a bird's nest. There are lots of different kinds of animals that make nests to live in and to lay their eggs in. This is a bird's nest. And do you know how I know it's a bird's nest? Because there's a bird egg. Do you know how I know it's a bird egg? Because it's about to hatch. Ready? Let's count to 3 and see if this egg will hatch. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pop! And there's the little bird hatching out of the nest. Ready? Want to see that again? Pop! So cute, I had to share it. So we're going to read some stories about nests and about birds. This one is by Toni Yuly. It is called, you're going to laugh at this title. It is called The Jelly Bean Tree. Have you ever heard of a jelly bean tree before? Let me read you about the jelly bean tree. Jelly bean has long legs, a long tail, and a very long neck. What kind of animal is Jelly Bean? A giraffe, that's right. Jelly Bean's favorite place is with the trees. She especially loves to nap with them. See, Jelly Bean's sleeping. One day, Jelly Bean took a long nap. Do you see something that happened during her nap while she was sleeping? When she woke up, she heard something. "I hope my nest won't fall," chirped Mama Bird. Jelly Bean stood very still for the rest of the day and night. Can you believe that Mama Bird built a nest on Jelly Bean's head? The next morning, Jelly Bean's friends came by. "What are you doing?" asked Dog. "I am a tree," said Jelly Bean. See my nest? Oh, said Dog. That's nice. How long will it be a tree? I don't know, said Jelly Bean. I've never been a tree before. As the days passed, Jelly Bean's friends brought her snacks. That's very nice of them. And they picked her some flowers. Aw. They played, but not too hard. How much longer will you be a tree? Asked Turtle. Jelly Bean wasn't sure. And then, beep, beep, beep. Soon the chicks were hungry, and Mama flew off to find food. These birds need a different tree now, thought Jelly Bean. But everyone knew there was no tree better than the Jelly Bean tree. The end. Oh, and here's Jelly Bean taking another nap, and the birds now are napping with her. The end. The Jelly Bean tree. I liked that story. I have a little song about birds sleeping in a nest. It has some fun motions. Okay, it's called Way Up in the Sky. Way up in the sky, the mama birds fly, while down in their nest, the little birds rest. With a wing on the left and a wing on the right, the little birds sleep all through the night. Shh, they're sleeping. The bright sun comes out, the dew goes away. Good morning, the little birds say. Do you want to say that with me? Now that you've heard it once, you can do the motions with me, okay? Good morning, Ready? Way up in the sky, the mama birds fly, while down in the nest, the little birds rest. With the wing on the left and a wing on the right, the little birds sleep all through the night. Shh, they're sleeping. Get your sun ready. The bright sun comes out, the dew goes away. Good morning, the little birds say. That's a fun one. You can sing in the morning to say good morning. Now we're going to read a brandy new story. This is called Mel Fell by Corey R. Tabor. And you can't tell probably by the picture here, but this book is kind of like sideways. Watch how I open it. It opens this way. This is called Mel Fell. So since I have to hold it a little sideways, let me get to the page first. Here we go. Can you see Mel? This is Mel right here. We're reading about another little birdie. One day when Mama was away, Mel decided it was time to learn to fly. She had been in the nest long enough. Aren't you scared? Asked her sister Pim. Yes, said Mel, but I won't let that stop me. And look, I have to flip the page up. She looked down. Sure is a long drop, said her brother Pip. Well, said Mel, I've got wings. Mel was scared, and it was a long drop, but today was the day she would fly. See you soon, she told her siblings, and she jumped, she flipped, she spread her wings, and then she fell. Mel fell and fell. The squirrels tried to catch her. They really did. They'd grown quite fond of those squeaky chirpers upstairs. was no use. They missed her by a whisker. Zeezel Zazu, said the bees. And that's bee speak for we will save you. Zeezel Zazu. But they barely slowed her down. Even the spider lent a hand. 8 of them. And here's a little fly. He said, I'm free. But still, Mel fell. And here's a slug. Here's what the slug says. Do not fear, helpless little bird. I will catch you. What do you know about snails? They're very slow. She fell and fell. Oh no! Splash! Mel dived into the water. And watch, I gotta turn the book now so we can finish the story. She snapped her beak and caught a little fish. I gotta turn it some more. She kicked her legs. She wiggled her tail feathers. She spread her wings. And then... I want to make sure I get to every page. And then she flew. Mel flew and flew. As Mel flew by, the spider clapped her hands, all 8 of them. The bees said, huzzah, huzzah. The squirrels raced her to the top. Mama was waiting when she got there. I flew, said Mel. And when she said that, dropped the fish. The fish said, I'm flying. I knew you could, said Mama. I knew I could too, said Mel. Here's a little bubble down here. Do not fear, helpless little fish. I will catch you. Splash. The end. And what I like about this story is the author adds a little note and shares that Mel is a kingfisher, which is a kind of bird that actually do catch fish by diving into the water from their tree branches or sometimes wires. So some kingfishers nest in tunnels near the water and others nest in hollows in the tree, like Mel. So he said a young kingfisher probably doesn't catch a fish the first time they leave the nest, but then Mel is a very special bird. The end. This is one of my favorite new books we have in the kids' room. This is a brandy new one. All right. So why don't we sing Roly Poly? Ready? Roly poly, roly poly, up, 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 up. Roly, roly poly, roly, roly poly, down, 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 down. Roly poly, roly poly, out, 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 out. Roly, roly poly, roly, roly poly, in, 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 in. Roly poly, roly poly, fast, 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 fast. Roly, roly poly, roly, roly poly, slow, 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 slow. slow. Good job. Our last story is kind of a goodbye story. Well, it is a goodbye story. It's called Gotta Go, Buffalo. Don't worry, there are some birds in here too, but this is a fun book of animal goodbyes. Gotta Go, Buffalo by Kevin and Haley Meyers. See you later, alligator. See you soon, big baboon. Gotta go, buffalo. Toodaloo, kangaroo. Take care, polar bear. Hit the road, yellow toad. Chow now, brown cow. Can't stay, blue jay. I think I told you there was a bird in this one. Can't stay, blue jay. Wave goodbye, butterfly. When we part, you're in my heart. The end. So you can choose any of those animal goodbyes. Take care, polar bear. And let's sing our goodbye song. Ready? Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Bye, everybody. Don't forget to add those 3 books to your 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten challenge. I'll see you next time.